Today we're going to actually take this syrup and we're going to add some raspberry flavor to it, and then we'll probably do a separate one and add some bubblegum flavor. And we're going to show that, using this natural blue color that's made from gardenia flowers, that you can get a beautiful blue that's all natural, no artificial ingredients in it, and it looks amazing. It holds up to high pH, low pH, does well with heat. We're sitting out in the sun, it holds up well to that as most blue colors or even natural colors don't. This one does. And so we're going to do about 1,000 mLs, which is about 32 ounces. And the reason why it's this amber gold color is because we used organic cane sugar. That color that you see is strictly from the cane sugar. Before we add our flavor, I want to do my color. And so I'm just going to put in about 5 drops of this blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to see how much color did that change, and that'll tell me how much more, or give me an idea how much more I need to add to it. So not a big difference in color. So that means I can add a lot more to it. I'm just going to take the pipette and squirt the whole thing inside here. See what kind of color that gives me. That's not bad. Got a blue color. Question is it enough? We'll probably put another squirt or 2 in there, but now I'm going to add some flavor. So this is our raspberry. Smells amazing. Let's put in about 1 milliliter. And then we're going to taste it. Let's stir this up now. But since we're stirring, I'm going to put another shot of blue in there too, just because I want to keep adding that blue. Maybe I'll put 2 in because I want to get that color dark blue. Smells amazing, but the true question will be, how does it taste? Traditionally, raspberries aren't blue. Somebody decided to make a blue raspberry. Kids loved it. It stuck, and now you can find blue raspberry all over. All right, let's do a quick taste test. Wow. That's really good for 1 milliliter, or one of these pipettes, in 1,000 milliliters of the syrup base. And that's got a really nice raspberry taste. So that's pretty much it. I mean, how hard is that to make a syrup? You buy the color, you buy the flavor, you buy the syrup base. Hope you enjoyed this part of it. Catch the next video on how to do the same thing with a bubble gum.